coronavirus still on the move. Doctors and health officials continue to urge people to avoid traveling this holiday season. But as Thanksgiving nears this week, the number of people ignoring those warnings continues to increase.
Ryan Jenkins is live at Milwaukee's Mitchell International Airport with a look at what holiday travel looks like here. Ryan?
Yeah, good morning. You know, it's relatively quiet here this morning, but we have seen waves of people checking in, moving through the security checkpoint here behind me. You can see not much of a wait time, people doing their best to stay socially distanced here this morning. These travelers are on the move as the state of Wisconsin reports more than 74,000 active cases of coronavirus right now. Nearly 2,000 people are in the hospital with the virus. Now, despite those numbers, the TSA says this past weekend was the busiest weekend for airports nationwide since the pandemic began. Nationwide, more than 3 million people have gone through checkpoints over the past few days. The auto group, AAA, estimating about 1 million people to be on the move from Wisconsin this year during the Thanksgiving holiday. That's down from last year, but it's still against what doctors and health officials are recommending. The CDC continues to issue guidance asking Americans to consider gathering virtually or with people from your own household, which in some cases, of course, could be your family members, but in other cases, that could mean celebrating with non-family members, such as roommates. The CDC saying that coming together from different households, even if you're welcoming in college students who are returning home from campus, that can pose a risk to spreading the coronavirus. Now, I've talked to some travelers here at the airport this morning. Here's how they're feeling about flying during the pandemic. Are you worried about getting sick flying?
I'm concerned, but I'm not afraid.
As long as, we've been wearing our mask everywhere we go and hand sanitizing, and it's same. Nothing's really changed, put it that way. When I go home, we're having Thanksgiving.
Now, the CDC has issued some guidance for people who are still going to be traveling or gathering with family. Of course, they're saying wear a mask, stay socially distanced, wash your hands frequently. You can find all of that information on our website, tmj4.com. Now, reporting live at the airport, Ryan Jenkins, TMJ4 News.
Interesting to hear.